sweep begins on our left. Section 1. Step, scuff, triple forward. Rock forward on right, recover, right, coaster, step. Section 2. Step, quarter, cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Section 3. Triple to the side with a rock back, recover. Now a half hinge turn, stepping a quarter and a quarter, so a quarter on your left, quarter on your right, into a crossing triple. Section 4, half Monterey, point, turn, point, together, cross, step left back, step right back, touch left toe or ball in front of right. Next section, step, lock, step, hitch a quarter, step, lock, step, hitch a half. Next section, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, quarter, cross. Section 7, step, touch, step, step together, and then swivot, swivot. So you're in your right heel and your left ball, and toes are going to your right. And then repeat that for section 8. Step, touch, step, step together, swivot, swivot. And now the whole way through with counts. Weight is on your left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,